hello and bonjour and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing slash unboxing slash opening the May Birchbox 2021. How's it May already? Please do keep in mind I live in France, so this is the French version, which has also recently been renamed to Blissim, so very likely my items may differ from yours. Let's just dive right in. So the theme for this month is Lumière de Mai, which is Lights of May, and I had the choice of two different box designs. There's this lovely lavender one, which I love purple, so obviously clear choice, and a yellow orange sunsetty one. So I'm not sure if that affects at all what's inside, but let's have a look. Ooh. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take out the first thing that really throws itself into my face, my eye receptacles, and it's this. So this is the Kevin Murphy conditioner, Blonde Angel. This packaging is so freaking cool. I love it. Very excited. I'm blonde. Maybe not an angel though. So this guy originally is in a 250 ml bottle and is worth €31.50. So this guy at 40 mils makes it worth €5. Seems a bit steep, not gonna lie. Oh my god, it's purple, like full on purple. Oh, it smells so good. It has lavender in it. Oh my god, I feel so relaxed. I just got goosebumps. Yeah, that smells great. I was gonna be like, I don't know if I'll buy it, but it smells and looks really cool, and it's really full. In this sample, I could definitely use some purple shampoo because as the sun's starting to come out, the ends are starting to get a bit yeller. So very excited to try that. Next, I'm gonna take out this guy because, you know, spring, summer's coming, and with that come the suntan lotions, the after sun lotions, the bronzing products, and apparently May is not too soon to start receiving them. So this is by the brand Nuxe. It's French, and it is a refreshing after sun lotion, face and body. Honestly, this is very useful for me because I do live in the south of France and the summers get very, very hot, and whether you avoid it or not, chances are you might get at least one burn throughout the summer. So that's very good. I know it's a great brand. This guy originally is 200 mils and $17.49, which makes this 50 ml guy €4.37. It's a little bit cheaper than the hair treatment, but it's honestly, it's a really great size and it looks awesome, and I'm excited to start using it. Still a bit chilly, but excited to start using it. All right, next I'll take out this guy. This is by belif. Belif, is that how you pronounce it, or do you just say belif? This is the Aqua Bomb Cica cream. C-I-C-A. Anyways, this guy full size is quite expensive, €35. So this 10 ml sample is worth €7, more expensive than the last two products. I guess it rebuilds your skin's health after stressful, traumatic experiences. Let's see what it smells like. Again, it just smells, I wonder if that's part of the box that I got, like lavender scented cooling type of things. It smells really lovely. I feel like it'll be really great for the skin. It smells very calming, soothing. I know the brand, I know it's quite famous and really good from the reviews I've seen. Personally haven't tried it yet, so again, really excited to try it. Love a good face cream, love moisturizer, use it every day. Dope. Next, I'm gonna leave the luxury item to last, and we'll take out this. And I'm very excited and curious and hopeful because we have not received a perfume before. Well, we've received the little like 2 spray samples, but this is a 5 ml proper like deluxe sample of perfume, and I'm very excited. This is by the brand Juliette Has a Gun. That sounds pretty intense, and it's called Vanilla Vibes, and that's why I'm getting extra excited because I love vanilla. It's one of my favorite notes in a perfume. I love floral and vanilla. So it looks like this, really great size. And so it says created by Romano Ricci, great grandson of Nina Ricci. Oh, that's very cool. Runs in the family. Vanilla Vibes is a fusion of two opposites, an aphrodisiac natural vanilla twisted with sea salt atmospheric vibes. Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing and intense. Oh my god. Oh, take me. Oh my god, it smells heavenly. I feel like I know this scent. It's not exactly like the most unique scent in the world, but it smells so good. I may have to purchase this after. Oh, it's really like, yeah, I would describe it like that beach scent. I guess not Abercrombie and Fitch, but a bit Hollister smelling. I feel like Hollister smells like beach, but with vanilla, and it's so good and flattering, and it's not too strong. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So full size for 100 mils, it is 110 euro. And this guy is worth €5.50, which is quite cool and great. And that'll last me, I mean, I've already sprayed this much, but I think that'll last me several weeks, which is great. And the bottle looks like that, which is also quite interesting. And I'm really excited by that product. That's awesome. I've never gotten like a proper size perfume before. And last, but hopefully and probably not least, and certainly the most expensive, I can tell you that right away, we get an Yves Saint Laurent mascara, and this is the Volume Effect False Lash, or I mixed up the English and the French. False Lash Effect. And we get, of course, it's a sample, so the full size of this product is €34.50, and this mini is, I mean, if you do the math, worth €9.20, so we have the most expensive of our products. I don't think I've ever tried Yves Saint Laurent mascara, so I'm quite excited. Good size tube. The brush seems really nice. I like that it's like brushy, stiff bristles. What do I like? I guess, you know, after years and years of mascara, you can just tell by looking at the wand if it'll probably work for you or not, and I feel like this one will. I'm very excited to have a luxury mascara, although I'm nervous because I think we've all gone to those beauty counters with our moms where, you know, they have the Chanel and Dior makeup, and my mom has purchased, myself a bit too, quite a bit of, for example, Chanel makeup, and for the most part it was a bit lackluster, especially for the price. Although my first ever proper like beautiful eyeshadow, I remember it was Chanel. It was a single shadow, the Cica, and it was like $28 or something for one, and it was like my big splurge. I adored it. But the high-end, non Sephora, but like luxury brand mascaras that I've tried in the past have always been a bit meh. So I'm very hopeful and optimistic for this one that it's great, and hopefully it is. But again, very, very excited to try it. Love mascara. I'm always going to use mascara, so this has been awesome. All right, so what are we thinking about Birchbox for May? I really love it. I mean, if you watch my videos, you know I have a bit of a love-hate relationship with Birchbox. There's a lot of months where I'm like, it's kind of crap. I will say this is all samples. Usually I hope to get at least one full-size item. Did we? Yeah, we usually get at least one full-size item, even in Birchbox. So it is a bit disappointing that all of these are samples, albeit deluxe. That being said, this is really quite a big product. I love the perfume, and that's more than a deluxe sample. Like, that's a proper like mini perfume. This as well, like I've been using all the sample moisturizers that I've been getting. Even this size, they last a long time. Very excited for the hair treatment, although if I'm really gonna do it as a mask, that's probably just gonna be one time for me. And a luxury brand mascara, very varied box. We got hair, face, perfume, makeup, and skin. Can it get better than that? I don't know. I think this is the epitome of a really great variety of products in a box. All seems up my alley. The value, I will say, for this month is what? Under 30 euro, which is quite low even for Birchbox. And despite the lower value, it is one of the better boxes I find. So I'm really not mad at it. I'm honestly quite happy. Very excited to use all my products. Box is super cute, and I really love using the boxes for organizing my makeup. They're kind of the perfect size to fit and mix with the glossy box ones. So yeah, honestly, I freaking love this box. All right, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you. If you haven't already, definitely please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm still new and growing, and I would love to have you on this journey with me. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and I will hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!